Hello friends, one another question from the dictionary. Sometime what interviewer will do, they give the one list and they will tell make a dictionary with the next item. Next item means the first item should be key and second item should be value. So you can see this output how it is 44 colon 33. One key pair 55 colon 53 a second pair and 22 colon 99 third pair. So like that they will ask, but how it comes I will show you. So once again I will run the program, we'll check it. Yeah, it is correct. Okay, so now we'll put the debugger here and we'll debug the dictionary. So what we have to done, now we'll take the one list, we make a one empty dictionary variable, and what I did here, we take the length of the list and we are storing here t take a one variable, there we are storing length of the list. But why I will doing the length minus 1, because we are starting from here 0, so length should be total minus n, then it will go to, suppose length will be 5. Okay, if we count from the 0 0 1 2 3 4 to till 4 only we'll get the 5 item, so that's why we'll put the minus 1. If we'll not put the minus 1, it will give the error out of index error something. Okay, so okay, we'll start and we'll run in and see how it is working. So okay, so we'll say range came in length and we'll see in t what is coming. T came 5. How it came 5? 1 2 3 4 5 6 item will be there, but it's showing 5. Why it is showing 5? Because it's taking range 0 to 5. It's taking range 0 to 5. First position at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why taking 5. Okay. So next 2. So range will start from the 0 position, will go till 5th position, and in between gap in between 2. So this logic will works for our solution. How it works? See next step. List of get the list of I what is 0, 0 plus 1 1, list of 1, so it will get the value here. List of 1 means 33 get. Now list of 3, it will get which one? 0 1 2 3, this one. List of 5, so it will get 5th value. Okay, and now it assign the value and put in the dictionary. But here one more thing, here 2 times 33, so it is a duplicate. See here it is being duplicate. In dictionary, key cannot be duplicate, value can be duplicate. Okay, so suppose I will give the value here duplicate. Suppose I am giving 44 here, we'll see what happened. Then okay, leave it. See, it's printing unique, it's not taking the duplicate value. Now okay, we'll change here also, we'll suppose 35 and we'll see. So it's coming, no, it's not coming, so it means the key cannot be duplicate. Okay, so I think now you will get how get the answer. Okay, thank you for watching.